Hello everyone, Tashidelek. It's me Jordan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last week I had a job. I was a bell ringer for a week, and so in this video I want to talk about monk's life here in Lava Monastery. Just the part of it. Without wasting any of your time, let's begin this video. This is Lava Monastery, a small hamlet situated at an altitude of 2138 meters above sea level. Lava is one of the few places in West Bengal that receives snowfall during winters.
첨보 다이네 동안 섬장 타기 깔바정 와서면서 최대한 제진 슈
Each and every student has to ring the bell for a week, except the captains. Once you ring the bell for 1 week, then you hand over the bell to other person. So we have to ring the bell many times a day, according to the session. From 8:30 a.m. Our classes starts. So the bell ringer must leave his room 5 minutes earlier to ring the bell. We can't ring the bell 1 minute earlier or a minute later, or someone is going to be angry, of course. One of the session finishes at 9:30 a.m. So again, we must ring the bell. From 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. We have a daily debate session. To notify the Sangha, we beat the different bell. Since it's different, it has different style of ringing as well. So thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.